Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you another airdrop. Let's get into it. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I regularly upload high profit and big airdrops. This airdrop is launched by Grass Network. If you don't know what Grass Network is, it's a platform with a similar concept. Today we'll discuss how to join the Grass airdrop, earn points, and complete the necessary steps. So let's dive into the video. First, head over to the Grass airdrop website. I've provided the link in the description. On the website, start by logging in or signing up. Enter your email, username, and password, agree to the terms and conditions, and complete the CAPTCHA. Once registered, you'll need to confirm your email. Check your inbox, click on the confirmation link, then refresh the Grass website to access it. Next, connect your Solana wallet by going to the rewards page and clicking on the Connect Wallet button for Grass. You'll need to link a Solana wallet to proceed, with a 0.0004 Solana fee. If you prefer, you can skip this part. For an even smoother experience, download the Grass Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for the Grass extension, and install it. Once it's installed, open it, enter your email and password, and click Access My Account. You should now see your connected account on the dashboard, where you can also track your earnings. For those looking to maximize earnings, you can download the Grass desktop node. This will double your earnings, 2x. Additionally, in the referral section, you can find your referral link. Share it with friends and family to earn extra points and boost your earnings. And that's it for today. It's simple to join the Grass airdrop and start earning. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.